Gonna go towards the black bar. I'm gonna extend, pitch the body forwards, and my knee is gonna go forwards. All I feel is my knee joint. I'm pressing through my toes. I feel my hip joint. Lifting my front leg up, extending back with control, sinking everything back. My knee came back with it, means it stayed in place in line with the ankle and the toe. Nice. Hi there, Wendy Darwin Good here for the Lunge series behind how to do it properly. Please see my video before about alignment just to step back into a lunge properly from head to toe. So I'm already going to be in my V position where I ended my other video, rolling my shoulder blades back. Everything's lifted. My nose and chin are in line, they're not tilted down, opening up the neck, and I'm not breaking the neck either. My heart is forwards, and I'm going to come into a curtsy lunge and turn to the diagonal just slightly. I'm going to demonstrate this wrong, and I'm going to offer modification number 1. Soften my knees, and this is my hyperextension, by the way, and I want to be there. So I want to make sure my knees are not locked, they're soft. I'm going to do a little bit more as I lift up this front leg. Now my back leg, my knee's going to go forwards, and look in the mirror where there's space now, and my knee's going to go towards the black bar. I'm going to extend, pitch the body forwards, and my knee's going to go forwards. All I feel is my knee joint. I'm pressing through my toes. I feel my hip joint. My core just went off because I'm focused right here. Shoulder blades are not back. I just had to roll them back. Now I have control, but all I feel is knee pressure. I'm going to push through my toes and come up through my knee, which is really going to hurt. And that's all I felt right there. Oh, it popped too. Now I'm going to demonstrate that correctly. I'm going to lift my front leg. I'm going to extend it back. Now I have hip openness. I'm going to take everything back even though I'm pitching the body forward. Now my knee's in line with my ankle and my toe. My shoulders are in line. My lower abs and my middle abs are in. My shoulder blades are back. I have control with my whole body as I extend my crown of my head, like if I have my ponytail right there, away from my hip joints. I feel length in my spine. I feel my whole leg working, nothing in the joints. They're supporting like they're supposed to. I feel length in my hip and my thigh, which is what it's supposed to be. Pushing through the heel, I'm going to use the core and shoulder blades to lift on up with control. Much better. Here's another option. I'm going to keep it from lunge position this time. I'm going to take that knee forwards as I step back, and I'm keeping my shoulders over hips. Even though I sunk everything down and I stepped back with control, that knee still came forwards. And all I feel, again, is my knee joint, my hip joint. My heart is forwards. I'm going to lift up to the ceiling, but I'm going to push through my toes, and I sink into my working side, my supporting side, I should say. Again, I'm nice and tall. I'm going to demonstrate that correctly, pushing through my heels and lifting my front leg up, extending back with control, sinking everything back. My knee came back with it, means it stayed in place in line with the ankle and the toe. Nice and tall. I'm going to push through the heel, use the core and shoulder blades to lift everything up, my spine to the ceiling. Option 3, for lack of hip openness, which is very normal. Still for lunge position. Bend the knees. I'm going to lift that front leg. I'm going to just step back. Sink my tailbone down, and the knee's going to go forwards. Now, nothing's in line. Even though my shoulders look like they're in line, I'm not, because I'm balanced on one side. I'm pushing through the toes again. My core is not on, and I'm going to come up. I'm going to feel this for a couple of days. Again, shoulders over hips, bending the knee, sinking everything back. That knee is going to come back as soon as I step back. Oh, I lost my balance, but my core turned on. Everything's in. I pulled everything back, even though I lifted up and sank down. I'm sinking that tailbone down. Push the toes, come on. A little demonstration for first position. I'm going to take it to the V. It's back and back. I'm using my total body, pressing through the heels. I'm going to give an open hip option. Open hip. Sinking my tailbone down. And 2. and 1. Stay tuned for my final video on how to do this at home with a chair. You can probably see it in the corner. Thank you for joining me. Let's stay out of those joints. If you have any questions, get a hold of a group fitness instructor, a manager of a gym, a personal trainer, a Pilates instructor if you can, or a Barre or Barre instructor. That's what we're here for. Thank you so much.